Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick recipe. So if you saw my previous video, I got these gnocchi things that are actually pretty good, and I'm going to actually make it with a Italian sort of sauce. So I got fine herbs, and this one here is country mushroom. If you look at the ingredients, where are they? Right here. You'll see there's like no cheese and things like that in there, so that's why I picked these out. I'm going to actually combine them half and half. I'm going to cook the, this is ground turkey, so I'm going to cook this first, saute it with some onions. I got an onion right here, and grab it out. There's the onion, and I'm going to cook it with the gnocchi basically once it's all done. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm going to do a quick taste test once it's ready, and yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I have my pan, I have the ground turkey seasoned, ready to go, and I got the onions, so I'm going to cook that up and then put the sauce in and then put the gnocchi in. So I'll be back guys. Actually no, I'm going to put the gnocchi in first and then the sauce. Alright, I'll be back guys. Alright, as you can see, the gnocchi's in there. I'm just going to boil the water down, make sure it's all cooked, and then add in the tomato sauce. Alright guys, stay tuned, I'll be back. Alright guys, it is all done. As you can see, I put some tomato sauce in there. Let's go do a quick taste test right there. That is really good guys. It's got a lot of flavor from the turkey. And then you got the onions in there, and I seasoned it with some garlic salt and some herbs. I seasoned it with some of this as well. So this is hearty, rich onion and pepper herbs. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.